how to see NSFW on X settings. So in this video, I'll show you how to see NSFW on X settings. So to get started, go ahead and open X on your device and then sign into your account, and then click on your profile at the top left of your screen, and then click on settings and support under this sidebar, and then click on settings and privacy under that, and then head over into the privacy and safety section. So from here, go ahead and click on content you see, and then go ahead and click on sensitive media, and then click on graphic violence and set this to show it all, and click on adult content and set it to show it all. So this will allow you to see NSFW on your X account, and that is how you can basically see NSFW on X settings.